Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make scrambled egg spinach recipe. This recipe is tasty as well as healthy. Usually it is served along with rice, but you can have it alone. It's so delicious. Let's move to the video. In a grinder jar, take 1 onion, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, 2 green chilies, some curry leaves. Then grind it like this. We don't want a paste form, just grind like this. Now in a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add the grinded mixture to it. Mix it and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Then add 1 teaspoon chili flakes. If you don't have chili flakes, you can add chili powder instead. Also add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it well. Saute it for 1 minute on low flame. Now we can add 2 cups or 200 grams of chopped spinach to it. Mix it well. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Now make small space in the center and add 4 to 5 eggs, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt. First scramble the eggs well. Adding pepper will give special taste.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
And then we can mix all together. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. We can switch off the flame. Our tasty, healthy scrambled egg spinach recipe is ready. Serve it after 30 minutes for best taste. Usually it is served along with rice, or even we can have it alone.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.